Hello, you are welcome to Goz's Kitchen. If you are watching for the first time, you are welcome, and kindly like, share and subscribe as to my channel so you can get more of these recipes from me. And today in this video we are going to be making a very quick salmon fish stew. This is delicious and you can make it quickly within 20 minutes to enjoy any food ranging from rice, yam, whatever you want, it goes. Yes, for this quick salmon stew, I'll have 4 pieces of salmon fish, and I have some pepper mix which contain onion, tomatoes, and bell pepper with habanero pepper. I have salt, I have spinach, basil, I have some spices which contains my all-purpose seasoning. I have turmeric, ginger powder, and I have chicken bouillon, and you can use any spice that pleases you in your food. Okay, the first thing I'm going to be doing is just to salt my fish and just add a little salt. It has been thoroughly cleaned with lemon and vinegar, so I'm just going to be salting it and I'm going to set it aside. I'm adding some spicy pepper. Spicy pepper is not compulsory. If you don't really like pepper, you can, if you do, just put it to your taste, whatever you can take. But I love it because the fish is sweet and I need to balance it all with the spicy pepper. So I'm going to be blending all this pepper mix. The secret of getting a very nice pepper mix is not adding water. It tastes so good, so rich, and it doesn't take time to cook. Yes, if you add water, your stew is going to take a longer time to dry up. So that's why you will not get a perfect taste, and you will have cooked off all the good nutrients from all the pepper mix. So now I'm going to be adding the pepper mix to the palm oil. You can also use vegetable oil or any oil that you love in your food. Yes, to get a very nice uniform seasoned and tasty fish, you need to add all your seasoning and the salt and make sure everything is balanced before you submerge your fish, because the fish is now going to be steamed inside this seasoned sauce. This is very, very important. Salmon fish is a very, very rich fish. It's very rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which is very important for our brain and our immune system. And the fish is highly packed. Yes. And the major challenges that people have with cooking salmon fish like this is that most of them, they break in the stew when you are cooking it. So when you are making salmon fish, you need to get like a a wide pot that will allow the fishes to sit in the pot on their own, so that they will not clump together. So, and this is what I'm trying to show us here. Let's keep watching. Here I'm going to be adding some shallots. This shallot is it's a very special onion that has a very unique taste and flavor. When you're making salmons, you have to know that salmon doesn't take time to cook. And if you overcook salmon, you lose the taste. It becomes hard. But salmon has to be juicy, and that is why when you are blending your pepper, you don't have to put water, so that your stew can fry up quickly. We can see that this one, the oil is already coming up. So I'm just going to be lifting it up from the bottom of the pot, so that to allow oil and the sauce to go to the bottom, so that everything can steam up. It's already it's almost done. Yes. Basil herb is a very special herb that tastes so good with stew, like with salmon. It tastes so well with salmon. And this basil is what we usually call curry leaf in Nigeria. So it's so good. And we can see that the fishes, all the pieces, they are not broken. Yes, because I've been trying to lift them up from the bottom, and it looks so soft. It looks so juicy. It's not hard. It's not overcooked, and the stew is already, it's already dry. Now all this is just within 20 minutes. The stew is ready. I'm just adding a little spinach for garnishing. You can use any vegetable of your choice. So this is ready to be enjoyed. This recipe is something you can quickly make under 20 minutes, and it's so delicious. And if you have watched this end and you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you leave a comment below for me. For this stew, I feel like eating it with bread. You can enjoy it with rice, plantain, whatever you like to enjoy it with. And I have more videos on my channel which you can watch and enjoy for yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next. Bye.